Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best mini pool tables in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. This Matty's Toy Stop Deluxe is the best mini pool tabletop that comes with some impressive features. Whether you're an enthusiast or a beginner just starting, you are going to love this pool table. One of the most impressive things about this table is that it can be set up literally anywhere in the room and stored when unused. And featuring a sturdy construction means you can have an enjoyable worry-free play for hours, as this pool table is going to last for a long time. Moving on to its accessories, it includes a 20-inch felted table, 15 colorful balls, a cue ball, a brush, 2 pool sticks, and 2 pieces of chalk, along with a triangle rack. And since this table comes pre-assembled, you can unbox and have fun with your new game equipment right out of the box. It is lightweight enough to offer ease to move, and is big enough for heated action, but again small enough to stow away when not in use. This Benfu Mini is a portable mini pool table that is compact enough to take around, and space-saving to store just anywhere. Coming made of high-quality wood and green felt, it ensures durability, and this will also let you use it as a home decoration piece when not playing. It can be played together by 2 people. And moving on to its accessories, it comes with a billiard table with 15 colored balls, 1 cue ball, 2 billiard cues, and 1 chalk triangle cube, all that are strong and durable. Due to its small size, you can place it on a table at home or conveniently carry it around, as its billiards, cue, and weight are all carefully optimized. This Mainstreet Classic 20-inch table is a portable table that can be taken with you wherever you want to play fast and furious action. Coming made with wooden, it will ensure a durability that can last for a long time, and featuring a small and portable design means this transportable miniature pool desk set is the best area-saving measurement. It is ideal for locations that don't have room for a full-size billiard desk. And moving on to its details, it includes 2 billiard cues, a set of billiard balls, a triangle, a table brush, and chalk. So in all, this Mainstreet Classics 20-inch table is an amazing product that is sufficiently small for youngsters to maneuver and sturdy enough for adults to take pleasure in properly. This Gamie Tabletop is a specially designed pool game set for kids from the age of 3 onwards. Coming at 13.75 inches, this set is not extraordinarily thin, but is compact enough to be played on top of smaller tables and countertops. And apart from that, this table is also lightweight, weighing only 3 pounds, which means you can quickly bring it anywhere you need. It includes everything you need to play pool, like 2 pool sticks, 16 balls, chalk, and a rack. And these game balls and cues are optimally sized and weighted for the table, making it a great addition to game night, and can even be carried while traveling for fun away from home. This 2-player tabletop billiard from Amazon Basics is a perfect medium for entertainment, practicing, or honing hand-eye coordination. Built with strong MDF composite wood and other resilient materials, it is designed to provide reliable function and durability that lasts. And featuring real rubber bumpers means you can also experience exceptional bounce and playability. Moving on to its accessories, it includes a full set of 1 3/8-inch custom balls, rack, 2 high-quality cue sticks, chalk, and brush. And in addition to that, this pool table also offers a padded foot for preventing it from damaging the surfaces. Coming pre-assembled design will allow you to set it up quickly for immediate use, while its removable legs will provide for compact storage in a closet, under a bed, or behind the couch. Lastly, we have the Mozlly. This Mozlly tabletop pool table is a heavy product that will be well suited for all situations. If you are experiencing a problem with space, then this table can be an ideal option. You can utilize it without any trouble. Begin a plastic model. It can be used for both indoor and outdoor fun, and is better from the tables, which can be worn. And since it suits all ages, it will spare you from purchasing different products for summers and winters separately, as you can use this one single table in all seasons. For accessories, it includes a pool ball, cue sticks, and a frame packed inside an excellent plastic pool table. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.